Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're exploring a groundbreaking innovation from Rimac, the Verne Robotaxi. This futuristic vehicle is set to revolutionize urban transportation, and we have all the exciting details right here. Rimac has always been at the forefront of electric supercar technology, and the Verne Robotaxi is no exception. This sporty two-seat coupe is unlike anything we've seen before. With its sleek design, sliding doors, and lack of a steering wheel or windshield wipers, it's clear that this vehicle was created with a bold vision. The Verne Robotaxi is designed to be driverless from the start. Unlike other companies like Waymo and Cruise, which have adapted existing vehicles, Rimac built the Verne from the ground up. This allowed them to focus on the needs of modern urban commuters, who often travel alone or with just one other passenger. In fact, research shows that 9 out of 10 taxi rides involve only 1 or 2 people, making the Verne's two-seat configuration a smart choice. Starting in 2026, the first Verne Robotaxis will hit the streets of Zagreb, Croatia. But that's just the beginning. 11 more cities across the UK, Germany, and the Middle East are already on the list, with discussions underway in 30 additional cities worldwide. Rimac is clearly aiming for a global impact with this innovative service. So how does it work? Riders will hail the Verne Robotaxi using an app, where they can also set preferences for ambient lighting, temperature, and even the scent of the cabin. When the taxi arrives, passengers enter through motorized sliding doors into a cabin designed to feel like a luxurious living room. Reclining seats, a massive 43-inch screen, and 17 speakers ensure a comfortable and entertaining ride. One of the standout features of the Verne is its control system. With no steering wheel to get in the way, passengers can use a touchpad between the seats to adjust settings and even use something called the median to start and stop the ride, giving them a sense of control. Rimac's Verne Robotaxi also boasts a circular glass halo ring in the headliner, providing a unique panoramic view. The cabin materials are durable, yet inviting, designed to withstand heavy use while maintaining a premium feel. However, the lack of windshield wipers might raise some eyebrows, especially during bad weather. While we don't have specific details about the technical specs, Rimac has assured us that the platform is flexible and can adapt to various road conditions and driving styles. The Verne will use Mobileye's advanced autonomous driving technology, which includes cameras, radar, and LiDAR, ensuring safety and reliability. The Verne Robotaxi is the brainchild of mate Rimac and his team, including CEO Marko Pekovic and Chief Design Officer Adriano Mudri. This isn't just a concept. The Verne is set to become a reality, with manufacturing starting in Zagreb and expanding globally. With the autonomous taxi sector gaining traction and companies like Tesla also entering the market, the future looks bright for Rimac and its Verne Robotaxi. Who else is excited to see these futuristic cabs on the streets and maybe even a head-to-head race between a Verne and a Tesla taxi? If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Verne Robotaxi, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest automotive innovations.